Hey guys, welcome and thanks for watching Fishing Adventures Hawke's Bay. If you're like me and you like to pre-make your own fishing rigs or dropper rigs, and then you just end up coiling them up like this and stuffing them into a Ziploc bag, and then when you get out fishing and you take them out and you want to use them, they're all tangled up and you're struggling to get them untangled. Well, today I'm going to show you an easy way to package your own dropper rigs and make them look real professional. Some of the equipment you would need to do this packaging would include the stapler, a Ziploc bag, a good quality carton, your scissors, and then obviously your dropper rig. Next, I measured the carton insert and make sure that it fits inside the bag. I like to cut it a little bit smaller so that when I have the rig attached to it, I don't struggle to get it sliding into the bag. Next, using the scissors, I make 2 slits down the bottom of the insert on either side, and this is where the loops will then be secured in place. I then take the rig, and where the 2 knots are, I just fold that over each other and lay that on top of each other. Then with the loop it running through my fingers, I twist the line and form another loop or circle, and then by taking the end that the sinker attached to, I thread that all the way through the loop and go in and out all the way around until all the slack has been taken up. I then do the same with the other side. It should end up looking something like this. Next, I take the carton insert and I take the hooks and just measure where I want to attach this hook onto the insert, and then by using my staplers I just attach the hook to the insert like that, and then I do the same with the other side. Next, I just take the loops and slide that through the inserts that I've made for them, and that will secure them in place. Now I just coil up the remainder of the fishing line just at the back of the rig, and then insert the whole rig into the bag. It struggles sometimes, but this is why you have to cut it a little bit smaller so it goes into the bag real easy. I then seal up the bag, and there we go, a very good looking and professionally made rig. If you've missed this video, then click on this link, and if you've missed that video, then click on that link. Click on the logo below to become part of my family.